Hello guys, it's your boy The Best, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can make some money, have some fun, and find out if it's working for you or not, because the state of Solana trenches at the moment is disaster. Same goes for BNB lately. So basically you're not trading anymore, you're only gambling. You are facing a lot of rock pools and losing all of your money, and it's not fun. And it's ruining the whole fun in trading right now. So if you have urge to get that adrenaline pump or whatever, I'm presenting to you SolPump.com. SolPump.com is the best crypto casino at the moment on the Solana blockchain, where you can have fun, gamble some money on really interesting games that they have. And lately I found myself spending some time on SolPump.com. I personally made some money, but as you know, and I want to make a disclaimer, it is gambling. So never put what you're not ready to lose. So whatever amount of money you deposit into such things, same goes for trading, but this is pure betting. Just pretend that money is not there, and then have some fun, play the game, So without further ado, let me introduce you to SolPump.com and how it works, which game they have, because they have a lot of unique games when it comes to betting using crypto. They are fully Solana backed. I mean, you just connect your Solana wallet and voila, you have the balance on their website and you can bet with it. Can you beat the system? Can you find a method? We are going to talk about everything of those things inside the video. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's get on my screen and let me show you what SolPump is and how you can maybe make some money. Okay guys, so we are on SolPump.com. And when you are not registered, you need to just register, connect your wallet. It is completely safe platform. I know a lot of influencers and other people using the platform, betting on the platform. So you don't need to worry about connecting your wallet, but I always highly suggest that when you connect your wallet to some new website, etc., just create a new wallet, not your main wallet. Create a new wallet, deposit some Solana into that wallet, and then connect it to the website. Once you connect it to the website, using the link in the description or using the code THEBEST to get daily cases. When you click on the daily cases, you type THEBEST and you will redeem your daily cases. So if you're registering without using my link and my code, you won't get a chance to get those daily cases, and you can actually get some Solana in the daily cases. So I highly suggest that you use my code THEBEST in order to get into it. So this is your balance. So once you connect the wallet to the platform, you will get that balance from your wallet directly on the platform. They will not withdraw your balance. They will not do anything to your money until you put your own bets. Now, they have two games. They have Crash and CoinFlip. And Crash is really interesting thing. So let me show you how Crash works. So let me finish. Let's wait for the finish. So as we can see right now, this game actually went crazy, 6.55x. Okay, so let me explain you how this game actually works. So you set the amount you want to bet, you click place bet, you connect and approve, and boom, you just placed the bet for 0.1 Solana. So now we are waiting for the rocket to start climbing. So at any time you can cash out. So we can cash out 0.3x, 0.5x is enough for me. So I deposited 0.1 and I got out 0.15. So I made 150% profit, no, 50% profit, sorry. And if I held for now and cashed out now at 5, I will be in profit like if I invested 1 Solana, I will have 5 Solana. You know, it's 5x, so you get 5x. So basically right here we can see all of the previous scores. As you can see right now, it is giving a lot, as we can see. So I'm gonna go ahead now and place 0.2 bet. Let's make a bet. Okay, it already closed. So basically what is happening is that whenever you feel like you can cash out, but make sure that you understand that the rocket itself can crash at 1.1, which is really fast. So you need to really be fast, think fast, and decide on at which exact moment are you plan to get out of the bet. As we can see, this one is going crazy, you know. So if I invested successfully my 0.2 and I had to right now, I will have 2 Solana earned, but I was too late to place the bet, so I'm gonna wait for another one in a couple of seconds. So let's go. Okay, this is really crazy. So as I said, this is pure betting, but sometimes you can get luck, even more luck than while trading on Solana at the moment, which is really bad at the moment. So I'm gonna approve the transaction, and I've placed a bet for 0.2 Solana, and let's see if I have luck or not when it comes to betting. So as I said, you can find all of the previous results right here. You can find how many players are there at the moment, actively, you know, placing bets, etc. I'm gonna cash out. Okay, I just cash out 0.31 Solana and I deposited 0.2. So I made some profit while making this explainer video. Remember, this is betting. This is gambling. Nothing is guaranteed. You can eventually lose all of your money, and there is no mathematical thing that can beat this game. So I explored a lot about the Crash game. In other platform it is called Aviator, etc. On SolPump it is called Crash, just like market crashes. So there is no mathematical thing that will help you beat this game on the long run. So the more you play and raise bets, the more you will lose. As I said, look at us, it crashed at 1.1, so you wouldn't have any time to place any bets. So make sure that you do understand that and gamble responsibly. So always place bets for the amount that you are ready to lose. Personally, never place any more bets. Okay, now as you can see, we have a lot of active users playing the game at any given moment, tons of them. And this is coin flip, where you can basically flip a coin with your money, and not that much interesting game, but still it is gambling. Same process as like playing Crash, so you might as well try that game. They will have futures in the future, you know, but SolPump overall exists for a couple of months, I think maybe even a year. So they are around. A lot of influencers are promoting them, a lot of influencers are working with them, a lot of people are gambling on their platform. And I gamble myself, not too often, but I do gamble when I feel bored and when I have some spare Solana that I just want to burn, you know, just try something with it, because market at the moment is whack. So I go to solpump.io and I simply bet on the Crash game, because it is super interesting. It gives me that adrenaline rush, you know, every time I play it. So basically, if you feel bored, go ahead and try solpump.io and place your bets. Gamble responsibly. Use my link in the description and use my code to get daily cases, because in those cases you can get couple of Solana as a gift every single day if you're lucky enough. I'm not guaranteeing you that, but overall SolPump is safe, fun, they are paying out, you will not get your wallet drained or anything, but still use your new wallet. And overall, amazing platform to simply gamble some money, have some fun. And that's basically it for this video. I'm looking forward, if you like this video, to hear it from you. If you want me to record myself gambling on Sol Pump, let me know down below in the comments. I might host live streams. If this is something that is interesting to you, leave comments below. I'm reading all of the comments. Thank you for amazing support lately. Thank you for pushing all of my previous videos to an amazing numbers. And go ahead and try Sol Pump and let me know how it went for you. See ya!